A girl called Minu lived in a village. She grew up with other village children. One day, her mother took her to a village pathshala. Minu was very happy to be with other children. Her teacher loved her because of her extraordinary power of observation and fellow feelings. Minu was very sensitive too. She loved talking with her friends, loved to talk with plants, river, birds, and wind too. Every day, while she walked beneath the bokul tree, wind made the bokul tree shook its branches. Minu used to spread her frock to gather bokul flower. She hugged the tree for showering bokul on her. Minu loved to sit near river bank for hours to listen what the flowing river wants to speak. In this way, Minu was growing as small plant grows to big plant day by day. More she grew, her love of nature grew. She loved spending time within nature. She could listen to song of trees. She spent time watching trembling leaves in breeze. It seems to her they are calling her to come and play with them. Her neighbors considered Minu as an extraordinary girl. But her parents were worried for Minu. Number of times Minu got scolding for not listening to them. They thought no one would marry their daughter. Minu's village was developing. We all know development leads to destruction of greenery, but Minu could not think of it. This made Minu sadden day by day. Wherever she found destruction of nature, she felt pain in her mind. She wanted to run to stop them. Her neighbors did not support her. She became alone gradually. Minu was brave and intelligent. She understood she had to fight alone. So she started talking to the village children and told them stories of trees, plants, birds, rivers, and animals. The village children loved and admired their Minu Didi. They all missed the lush green vegetation of their village. The team started working on afforestation to change the village green as it was before. Soon the village people also joined with the team Minu. No longer they could reject her. They also felt the need of plantation. They also supported Minu to fulfill her mission to bring back the trees the village lost. Now, if you go to the village where Minu lives, you can find how happy they are. Minu's determination and love for the nature transform the village as well as the people of that village. Advice from a tree. Stand tall and proud. Sink your roots into the earth. Be content with your natural beauty. Go out on a limb. Drink plenty of water. Remember your roots. Enjoy the view. Like Minu, we can also do something for our nature. We can give back our earth, its own greenery that we have taken away. Children, find out a pot. It may be earthen or it may be coconut shell. Fill it with garden soil. Children, plant a small plant you like. Then watch how it grows and take care of it. You can also hear the song of little plant when you touch its tender leaves. When sunbeams kiss its leaves early in the morning.